watching the movie Armageddon. Don't know how many of you remember that was basically destroyed humankind. So Deputy Chancellor and Deputy Chair of the Council of the Fiji National University. He is the CEO of Tembara Transport Limited and VKJ Global Limited CEO. And I'll let him tell you more about that in a few minutes' time.
Mr. Parveen Kumar, my good friend, former minister, government officials, private sector representatives, ladies and gentlemen, Bula Vinaka to you all. I'm not that well, but I will try my best to stand for this occasion because a few weeks ago, Parveen was in my office and he did the presentation with the team. And after the presentation, he wanted to hear from me the government support. And I said to him that anything to do with environment, yes. And that's why I'm here to do the official launch this morning. I'm indeed privileged to be with you all this morning. And firstly, I'm thankful to the VKJ Global Limited and Tembara Transport Limited for the kind words of welcome. The world around us is moving towards the direction of clean, renewable energy and efficient transportation system. Ladies and gentlemen, I wish to assure us all this morning that Fiji is not an exception to this vision. Today sets the milestone for Fiji and perhaps the Pacific region in a serious yet committed initial move towards the use of electric vehicles on our road. To this end, government would like to acknowledge the faith, foresight and confidence of all our local business people such as Mr. Maraj and those of you present here this morning that championed this initiative. Government has introduced specific policies to encourage importation and use of more fuel-efficient vehicles such as pure electric and hybrids, which is now enjoying 0% import tariff rates. In April 2014, electric vehicles were made duty-free, and in the 2015 national budget, it was announced that the hybrid vehicles will also attract duty-free rates. As an island nation, we need all sectors to play their active part to maintain our foreign exchange source, especially in tourism. Thus, today's introduction of such efficient and zero-emission vehicles will assist government to accelerate the attainment of its medium to long-term sustainable development plan. It is VKJ Global Limited and Tembara Transport Limited's belief that this is the way forward. Indeed, one needs to be bold to take that first step. And as a seasoned player in this sector, Mr. Maraj is committed to this vision to be an agent of change. I'm indeed thrilled by this launch today as it complements what government have committed to achieve through our green growth initiatives. On behalf of government, I'm glad that today's baby step is the beginning of the shift to support this national level move towards noise and pollution-free vehicles that will reduce Fiji's fuel import bill not too distant future and turn our roads into a much cleaner and healthier environment. A few years back, I know there'll be some negative comments, but this is an example. A few years back, the LPG vehicles was sort of a crazy addition to our roads. That dream is now a mainstream feature of our roads. Likewise, this new initiative and today's launch will offer Fiji a healthier and a clean future. ladies and gentlemen, our presence here this morning is a collective commitment to those of us that champion this initiative to support each other and deliver government vision. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, I thank all of you sincerely for your attendance this morning. And on behalf of government, I want to congratulate VKJ Global Limited and Tambara Transport Limited for bringing us together to officially launch this three-wheeler electric unit this morning. On behalf of government, I have great pleasure in officially launching the concept and this three-wheel electric unit for the use onto our Fiji roads. Vinaka, Tanewad, and thank you.
Oh my God, okay. But for the environment. So where do I cut?
Just cut anywhere.
Anywhere?
In the front.